Alright, YouTube, I'm back with more. These vacuums most definitely deserve a video together. To my right, we got the Hoover Elite 2. To my left, we have the Hoover Elite 1. Both soft bag. One is top fill and one is not. This video is dedicated to the late Mr. Robin Williams. If you're familiar with his movie, Mrs. Doubtfire, he was using this one right here. Oh, man. Think about that man all the time. How funny he was and just, you know, how precious he was to everyone around him. And, you know, man, we all love him. We all miss him. So, well, anyone with a heart does. I miss him. He did Jumanji, the original. He did a lot of great movies, man. So, anyway, let's get back on subject. This video is dedicated to him. You know what? Let's start with this one. Pull the cord out the way. Robin Williams, this is for you. Everybody's favorite right here. Let's go ahead and run her. There you go. Great vacuums for great people. Please go ahead, come watch, like, and subscribe. I'm out.